Touchdown, Broken Beach, Nusa Penida. And that's the arc. That's why they call it Broken Beach. Ayan, may mga unggoy na din pala dito. Alam ko ano yung tinuturo. We are here now guys at the cliff view. And the current is very big. So scary. Welcome to Kelingking Beach. Yeah.
Journey starts today. Journey starts today.
Morning guys, so time check 6 AM and it's our third day here in Bali and we are going to Nusa Penida Island. Let's go! So from Ubud going to Sanur Port is about 30 minutes drive and we need to go there before 7 AM because that's the time of boat departure. So guys, they also have drop-offs here and these are the prices. Ayan, dito na tayo sa Sanur Beach. Sa port. Time check guys, 7 AM so we are here now at Sanur Port. So they also have restaurants here. Ayan. Terembo. And there are many boat transfer here going to Nusa Penida. Dami traffic. Super traffic at dito maaga. Time check 7:22.
Laki ng
Souvenir shop, T-shirt Bali. So guys, and there are so many people coming here and the parking is very tight. So if you're going to Nusa Penida, you need to go here as early as 6 AM so we can arrive at Nusa Penida as early as possible. Ray Fish Fast Cruises. So they also have manta ray watching or snorkeling here since they have Manta Point here at Manta Bay in Nusa Penida. Hello, morning.
This Mr. Ransom.
Yes.
Is you?
Yep.
Okay, this is for the ticket. It's for the departure. We will leave at 8:30, but we will boarding 8:15.
8:15.
Yeah. Actually, we can take the 7:31 before, but at least you have to 30 minutes before departure check-in. But now it's already offered.
Okay.
Much more offer. So you keep this one by one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. So I will put this one, and then sorry, the name we just make random because we need only the QR.
QR. Okay.
This QR we will scan to enter the port. Yeah. Without this one, you cannot get inside.
Okay.
Okay. One by one. And this one ticket for coming back 6 people.
6 people. So what
Yes.
time?
Come back 4:30.
4:30.
Yeah.
Okay.
This one. And this is boarding pass. Everybody have to using this one
Okay.
about the passport company. So I will help you.
Okay.
Sorry. Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
So guys, we only have until 4:30 PM. So we need to go back at that time. So we only have 6 hours in Nusa Penida.
Another more.
So guys, for our breakfast, let's eat banana bali and it tastes like pandan. So guys, we have a 30 minutes time to walk around and let's check some souvenirs. Let's go. T-shirt 20K. T-shirt. $30K. Maliliit ata to eh. Ganda ng mga ref magnet nila. Balik na lang kami mamaya after ng island hopping. 8 PM pa naman sila mag-close. Pinapapunta na kami sa Sanur Port. Time check guys, 8:15 AM and sasakay na tayo ng boat. Tara! Pero mura dun sa malaki. Pasakay na kami ng ano, ng Angkor, ng fast boat. So 1 hour mula dito sa port papuntang sa Penida. Let's go. Ayun yung port, ang ganda. Indonesia flag, yeah. Alright, let's scan the QR. So guys, this is the situation here. So many tourists. Kaya tayo, pagka QR. Alright, let's go. So that's the port, guys. Let's go. Sakay na tayo ng passport. Babalik yung ID pag nandito na sa ano, sa ferry. We are now on the boat. Yeah. So guys, we are now seated. So let's go. Let's wait for the boat to depart. So guys, from Sanur Port, we need to ride a ferry boat for about 40 minutes going to Penida Island. And dun sa Penida Island is divided into two parts, the west and the east Penida Island. And in the west, the famous attractions are Crystal Bay, Angels Beach, which is named because of its natural clear pool that locals believe it is a baiting spot for angels. And Broken Beach, it is called Broken Beach due to the natural arc which looks like a broken cliff. And the famous Kelingking Beach because of its unique T-Rex shaped cliff and the breathtaking panoramic views. And on the east side are Manta Point, which is famous for watching and snorkeling with manta ray fish. Teletubbies Hill, which is look like Teletubbies house. Rumapohon Tree House, famous for couple for picture taking. And the very famous Diamond Beach, which is named after his diamond-shaped rock formations. Time check, 8:50 AM and we are on our way to Nusa Penida. Yeah. Siguro dito lang pagdating sa gitna. Grabe guys, super alon. Napasok na yung tubig dito sa loob. Time check guys, 9:30 AM. So we are here now at Nusa Penida. And the travel time is around 40 minutes. Touchdown Nusa Penida guys. Yeah. Dito na kami sa Nusa Penida. Yeah. Touchdown. Go. Alright guys, so now let's find our tour guide. That is a local here in Nusa Penida. Ayan guys, ganda ng view. Ayan, dito na tayo sa port. Hinahanap natin yung ano susundo sa atin.
No? Oh my God.
So I'm referring you for today.
Okay.
My name is Karek.
Correct.
Thank you.
Nice to meet you.
Yes, sir. So before we go into the car, I think we want to photo together.
Okay.
I said to my boss, you already with me.
Alright guys, we found our tour guide and let's go to the car. Ganda ng view. Pelabuhan, Nusa Penida. Yan, Nusa Penida. Dito na tayo sa Nusa Penida. So mag-start na tayo ng island hopping. Land tour sa Nusa Penida. Go! So nakasakay na tayo ng sasakyan. So start na tayo. Let's go.
Sakyan dito.
And guys, this is the road in Nusa Penida. And they also have temples here. And so now our first destination, let's go to the Broken Beach. And the distance for every destination here is 30 minutes. So traveling to every destination will take much of our time. And guys, there are so many temples here. So guys, it's been 25 minutes from the port and we're still not there, so it's very time consuming. So we need to go here as early as possible talaga para sulit. We're almost there guys. We can now see the sea. Yeah. So guys, as you can see, there are so many tourist cars now along the way. Grabe, sobrang daming sasakyan. Kakapark lang namin. So, pupunta na kami ngayon sa Broken Beach. Maglalakad pa. Maglalakad pa kami ng mga 5 to 10 minutes. Let's go. Yan na, dito na tayo. POB. Ayun doon pala. Sa gilid. Ang lakas ng alon, no? Oh, may baka pa. Wala naman entrance fee. Lakas ng alon.
Hello.
Sobrang daming tao, so picture lang din naman dito. Oh, lakas na alon sa baba. Ayan, dito na tayo sa Broken Beach. Dahil merong ganon, tulay. So, ang dami. Broken Beach, yes. Touchdown Broken Beach, Nusa Penida. And that's the arc. That's why they call it Broken Beach. And because of the current of the water, that's why it is not allowed to go down. Ganda.
Walang pumapasok na
Wow, lakas na alon. Ganda. Bawal bumaba. Picture lang dito sa taas. Broken Beach, yeah, touchdown. All activities at your own risk. So be careful if you're taking pictures, cause we might fall or drown. Cause we might fall here. It's very dangerous. Now let's go to the Angels Beach, and it's only 10 minutes walk from Broken Beach. Tara.
काढ ना काढ 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 ना अजून एक दोन
So yan. Ayun, nalayo pala. And there's the Angels Beach. As you can see, guys, there are so many people taking pictures. And there's the Angel Beach, yeah. As you can see, guys, there is a pool in the middle that you can swim. We are here now, guys, at the cliff view. And the current is very big. So scary. Alright guys, so next let's go to the famous Kelingking Beach, known for its unique T-Rex shaped cliff. Let's go! And it will take another 30 minutes ride from Broken Beach. Let's go! Alright, so we're almost there. India Gate Restaurant. So this is authentic Indian cuisine. Kelingking Bar and Restaurant. And there is also a hotels here. Turtle Beach View. Welcome to Kelingking Beach. Yeah. So guys, there is also a homestay here located in Kelingking Beach if you want to stay for more than a day. Right, nandito na tayo sa Kelingking Beach. 30 minutes mula sa Broken. Medyo malayo.
Ha?
30 minutes.
Nalalaka rin?
Hindi, yung mula sa Broken Beach hanggang dito. Ayun oh, dami sombrero dito. Toilet.
Ay, ang ganda dito.
May mga flower. Pink na. Sa ulo. So baka mahal na dito or baka same lang din. Ayan yung elevator na ginagawa. Yung bago. Alright, we are here now. So it's another 5 minutes walk from the parking. Ayan, may mga unggoy na din pala dito. Alam ko ano yung tinuturo. Welcome to Kelingking Beach. Yeah.
Ito puede na que levantar más y mover, ya no se va a ver en plan. Espérate, móvil.
One more. Another spoon.
Yeah. And that's it for today guys. Thank you for watching. Salamat jalan. Soksuma. Next, let's go to the east part of Nusa Penida to see the Teletubbies Hills and the very famous Diamond Beach. Also the famous Roma Pohon Tree House.